CT Consultants is looking to expand their stormwater team by adding a water resources manager, an environmental scientist who have a passion for green infrastructure and have a desire to improve the communities that we work in.
For the past 80 years, stormwater has been pushed through pipes that go into rivers, lakes, and streams. Green infrastructure not only helps with stormwater management, but it helps make the environment a more beautiful place.
It's a way that we can get water back into the ground before it gets into the pipes. We can reduce flooding, we can increase people's quality of life.
Our goal at CT Consultants is to engineer innovative stormwater management systems that restore natural habitats, revitalize ecosystems, and enhance aesthetics. By accomplishing these objectives, we are helping to provide a brighter, more sustainable future for the communities we serve. What we try to do is create ways that stormwater can infiltrate into the ground more than being conveyed along pavement and into storm sewers.
It's our responsibility as designers to serve the community of today and tomorrow and also protect the natural environment.
CT Consultants is a dynamic group of engineers, architects, and planners who are one of the most trusted names in our field. I think this is mainly because we see projects through our clients' eyes and become their most trusted advisor.
We are looking for individuals with passion in watershed management, environmental studies, and ecological restoration. If you have that passion and you're excited to become part of the CT team, we would love to talk to you.